Alright, I'm going to teach you how to play a song called Walk All Day With You by Moose Blood. I have the lyrics here because I'm not that familiar with this song, although I really enjoy it. I think it's about his mom because he talks about his mom in the lyrics. I've seen a couple covers of this, one specifically actually, but no live recordings of it, so it's really hard to tell how he plays it, but I play a lot of Moose Blood songs, and I feel like I know some of the chords that Eddie tends to use. Like, he uses kind of weird open sounding chords. So I'm going to play it the way that I think he plays it, which is capo on 2nd fret. And then the chords are going to go a C, just like a regular C chord. And then you're going to play this weird kind of F, C. And those are like the two main ones. It's super easy. He plays it with a lot of reverb, so it kind of just like blends into itself really well. But C, F, C, and then you're going to play a C, G, which is like a C normal, but you're just going to move one finger up and keep their like 2 fingers on this 3rd fret at the top E and the A string there. So that's a normal C, that's a C, G, and then you're going to play a G with your fingers still over here and no fingers right down here or anything, just open. And you never want to really play this high E string either because he doesn't really play it. So I'm going to try and sing it as well and maybe just give you a little taste of how it will be played. She does this thing with her eyes sometimes, just to let me know that she's doing alright. I can't wait for the morning to sit down and go through things, 'cause you know just what to say, don't you know? Don't ask me again. I don't care if we see my friends. Don't ask me again. I walk all day with you, and I'll always remember when you fell in the water. I think I will till the very end, and I'll always remember we sat out in bad weather, 'cause you know just what to say, don't you know? Don't ask me again. I don't care if you see my friends. Don't ask me again. I walk all day with you. Don't you ever think you need to change? Don't you ever question it? 'Cause I'm so proud I get to call you my mom. And I just wanna say thank you, just thank you. Pick drop. So that's how I think it goes. It's pretty easy, actually. So just go through the chords real quick. And he kind of just plucks it out. I always add a couple hammer-ons. And that's it. Thanks, guys.